our English activity session. In today's English activity session, we are going to learn singular nouns and plural nouns. Yes, children, what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns? Let's learn in detail. A singular noun names any one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Yes, children, singular noun जो एक कोई भी चीज होती है तो हम उसे सिंगुलर नाउन कहते हैं. कोई भी एक चीज, एक इंसान, एक जगह या फिर कोई एक एनिमल, दैट इज नोन एज सिंगुलर नाउन, जिसे आप हिंदी में एक वचन कहते हैं. राइट? यस. एंड व्हाट अबाउट प्लूरल नाउन? यस चिल्ड्रन, यू आर राइट. प्लूरल नाउन नेम्स two or more than two person, places, animals or things. Yes, एक वचन और बहुवचन. प्लूरल नाउन जो दो या दो से ज्यादा चीजें हों, दो या दो से ज्यादा प्लेसेस हो, दो या दो से ज्यादा इंसानों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हो, दैट आर नोन एज प्लूरल नाउन्स. राइट? Let us see some of the examples so you can be much clear about it. First example is, you can see, यहाँ पे कितने बुक हैं? Only one book, which is singular noun. Book. और यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहे हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, children. How many books are there? 6 books. Right? Book, books. Singular noun, plural noun. Right? Come to the next example. Here you can see bottle. Yes, children, water bottle which you carry to school. And you can see here water bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 water bottles. Yes or no? Water bottle, water bottles. Come to the next example. You can see here CUBE, cube. कितने cube हैं? Only one. And what about these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. Right? कोई भी एक चीज singular noun and two or more than two plural noun. Cubes, cube, cubes. Come to the next example. Here you can see कितनी पेन है? 1 pen. And here you can see pens. 1, 2, 3. 3 pens. Yes, children. Pen, pens. Singular noun and plural noun. दो या दो से ज्यादा कोई भी चीजें हो, that are considered as plural nouns. Right? Come to the next example. What you can see here? Yes, it's a cracker which you burn in your favorite festival, Diwali. Right, children? Yes, cracker. And how many crackers are there on the other side? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crackers. Cracker, crackers, cracker, crackers. Come to the next example. Here what you can see? Yes, children, it is a balloon. I know that you all love to play with balloons. Am I right? Yes. So यहाँ आपको क्या दिख रहा है? Balloon, only one balloon. And here on the other side, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 balloons. Balloon, balloons. Singular noun, plural noun. Balloon, balloons. Come to the next example. Here what you can see? Color. कितने color हैं यहाँ पर? Only one. And what about the other side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors. Color, colors. Color, colors. Come to the next example. Yes, what you can see here? It's a triangle. What you can see here? It's a triangle, which you have learnt in your math subject, right? Triangle. And on the other side, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, and 3. Yes, children. Triangle and triangles. Triangle, triangles. Let's see next example. Here what you can see? Yes, it's a beautiful small blue chair. Right children? यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? एक beautiful छोटी one chair. Right? Come to the other side. Yes, what are these? These are beautiful chairs. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, children. How many chairs? 3 chairs are there. Chair, chairs, chair, chairs. See, children, as I have told you, singular noun that means कोई भी एक चीज. You can see here chair on the other side, and you can see 3 chairs, right? Plural form. मतलब कि बहुवचन, 2 या 2 से ज्यादा. But there are many things in the world which are uncountable. दुनिया में ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. Let's see one of the example. Here you can see. Yes, it is a grain. अनाज का दाना, right? Grain. And on the other side you can see grains. Yes children, ये grains जब भी आपके घर पे आते हैं, so you can count? No, you can't count. So there are many things in the world which are uncountable. Grain, grains. So children, now we will learn how to convert words into plural form. See children, अब आपने देखा कि सिंगुलर क्या होता है एंड प्लूरल क्या होता है. बट चिल्ड्रन, सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट किस तरीके से करते हैं वर्ड्स को, अब हम ये सीखेंगे. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड्स हमको एस या फिर ईएस यूज करना होता है. ओके, एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड्स वी नीड टू एड एस और ईएस. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, अब किसके पीछे एस लगेगा एंड किसके पीछे ईएस लगेगा, ये हमको जानना जरूरी है. हाउ विल यू गेट टू नो? लेट्स सी. फर्स्टली चिल्ड्रन, हमको जनरली एस ऐड करना होता है टू कन्वर्ट एनी वर्ड इनटू प्लूरल फॉर्म. बट हम ईएस किस किस के पीछे ऐड कर सकते हैं वो हम देखेंगे. वी कैन ऐड ईएस आफ्टर द वर्ड्स एंडिंग विथ एस, डबल एस, CH, SH, X and O. Yes children, can you see it properly? S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. The words ending with these letters, after that we need to write ES. Let's see some of the examples. The first example, can you see? Yes. What is it? It is an ink pot. So what is the spelling of ink pot? I-N-K-P-O-T. Ink pot. So what is the plural form of ink pot? Ink pots. Right? So I-N-K, ink, P-O-T-S. Simple as we need to put. क्यों? क्योंकि लास्ट में T है. Right? Let's see next example. The next example is C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. What is the plural form of car? C-A-R-S, cars. Yes, we will add S to the car. So, cars बन जाएगा. Let's see the next example. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. So, what is the plural form of dish? Dishes. dishes, D-I-S-H. See children, D-I-S-H. तो S-H-L last में. Can you see S-H here? So we will add E-S. What we will add? E-S. Why? जो शब्दों के लास्ट में S, डबल S, CH, SH, X और O होता है उनके पीछे हम ऐड करते हैं ES. So we will add ES to the dish. So क्या बन जाएगा? Dishes. Come to the next example. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. What is the plural form of orange? Oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. क्यों हमने S यूज किया? क्योंकि E के पीछे यहाँ पे E है No. So we will add simple S. Right? Come to the next example. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. So children, look at the ending. O. O is there. So what we will add? E-S. तो क्या बन जाएगा? Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Right? I hope you got this concept clear that we need to put S or ES after the words to convert it into plural form. ES हम किस किस के पीछे ऐड करेंगे? Let's repeat it. S, double S, CH, SH, X and O. Alright? Now children, let's move to our next rule, which is whenever there is Y at the ending of the spelling, we need to cut that Y and use IES. Remember this point. जब भी कोई वर्ड के पीछे Y आ जाए, to convert it into plural form, we will add IES. Let's see some of the examples. First example is cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Right? So now we need to convert it into plural form. But look at the ending. Y is there. So हम Y को कट करके क्या ऐड करेंगे? IES. As I have told you the rule. So CHERRIES. Cherries. Okay? Come to the next example. Yes, this is a beautiful butterfly. Right? B-U-T-T-E-R butter F-L-Y. Butterfly. What is the plural form of butterfly? Butterflies. We need to cut the Y and add IES. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Butterflies. Alright? Come to the next example. Yes. What is this? This is such a innocent baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Look at the ending again. Y. So we need to cut the Y and add IES. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Right children? Yes. Come to the next example. What is it? It is lorry. L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. Again, Y is there. So we need to add IES. L-O-R-R-I-E-S. Lorries. Yes children, I hope you got this concept clear. Again I will repeat it for you. Whenever there is Y at the end of the any word, we need to cut the Y. That means हम Y use नहीं करेंगे. Y की जगह हम क्या use करेंगे? IES to convert it into plural form. We have seen some of the examples for it. Cherry, cherries, butterfly, butterflies, baby, babies, lorry, lorries. Let me tell you one more rule. Whenever in one word, if the second last letter is A, E, I O-U, then we will put directly S to it. जब भी सेकेंड लास्ट लेटर वॉवल होता है A-E-I-O-U में से होता है, डायरेक्टली वी विल पुट S. हम Y को कट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, रिमेंबर दैट. लेट मी गिव यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. As you can see, the second last letter is A. तो हम Y को कट नहीं करेंगे, बट P-L-A-Y के पीछे हम ऐड कर देंगे S. So play, plays. Next is D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Again the second last letter is E. So what we will use? S. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys. Toy, toys. Play, plays. Donkey, donkeys. Now children, let's move to our next rule. When a word ends in F or F-E, we put the letter V in place of F or F-E and add E-S. Okay children, whenever a word ends with F or F-E, we need to put letter V and add E-S to it to convert it into plural form. Let's see some of the examples. First is C-A-L-F, calf. C-A-L-F, calf. देखिए बच्चों, जहाँ कोई भी वर्ड अगर F या फिर F-E से एंड होता है तो F को कट करके या F-E को कट करके हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? V-E-S. Let's make the plural form of calf. Calf, cows. C-A-L-V-E-S, cows. Come to the next example. Thief. T-H-I-E-F. Thief. Again F is there, so we need to cut the F and add V-E-S. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Thieves. Thief, thieves. Come to the next example. Half. H-A-L-F, half. Again we need to cut F and add V-E-S. H-A-L-V-E-S, halves. Come to the next example. Shelf. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Again we need to cut F and add V-E-S to it. S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. Alright, now come to the next and last example. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. So again we need to deduct or cut F and we would add V-E-S. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Alright children, I hope you got this concept also clear, that whenever there is F or F-E in the ending of a word, we will add V-E-S to convert it into plural form. See children, there are some of the words in which we can't add V-E-S to it, and the examples of it are R-O-O-F, roof. R-O-O-F, roof. तो अब हम इसे कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? R-O-O-F-S, roofs. ठीक है, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पीछे हम V-E-S नहीं ऐड करेंगे, नहीं ऐड कर सकते अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स. सो रूफ, roofs. Next example is chief. C-H-I-E-F, chief. So again chiefs. We need to add simple S to it to convert it into plural form. Okay? So children, I hope कि आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी and you got this concept very clear. Now we will meet in our next English activity session. Till that, take care of yourself. Bye bye.